Hello, Jack here from Easytint. In this video, we're going to show you how to tint a rear or fixed window using our pre-cut tint kit. For best results, we recommend our ultimate tint fitting tool kit found on the fitting tool section on our website. In that kit, you will receive 2 scrub pads, 1 handled squeegee, your conqueror squeegee, a contour squeegee, and your felt squeegee. I'll demonstrate how each of these tools are used in the video. Also included in that kit will be a spray bottle that you will fill with 2 to 3 large drops of baby shampoo filled up with water as your slip solution. When you receive your order, inside your tube, you will receive your precision cut window tint pattern, which you will unwrap. You will gently lay all of your windows onto a flat surface. This kit will include your chosen windows cut to size. For instance, the kit we are using today on our demo vehicle are 2 front windows for Land Rover Defender 90 and 1 rear window for the same vehicle. So that's everything you'll need to tint your car. We'll take you over to the demo vehicle and show you how it's done. So we're going to go over to our fixed window with our spray bottle pre-filled with the baby shampoo and water, and grab 1 scrub pad included in the fitting toolkit. You're going to lightly spray the full interior of the window. Grab your scrub pad, making sure you're cleaning all edges, running over all the heating lines to assure the window is completely cleaned. Once the full window is scrubbed, you want to grab your handled squeegee, working from the middle top, push all excess water out to the edge, cleaning your squeegee each pass. Also making sure all the surrounding area is nice and clean, eliminating any chance of debris falling in your tint. Next, we're going to go to the outside of the window and prep the exterior. Repeating the same process, cover the exterior of your window, scrubbing to assure the window is nice and clean. Repeating the squeegee, pushing all water to the outer edge. Again, cleaning all surrounding areas to eliminate any debris that may fall into your tint. Next, you're going to go over and grab your pre-cut window film, place it onto the window, lining the outer edge with the shape of the existing glass. It's very important that you place the window film on the window with the clear liner facing towards you, so when we pull the liner back, it pulls towards yourself. Once your window film is in place, we're going to create a H pattern with the felt squeegee, pushing from the centre to the outer edge, down, up, to create the H. Like so. Once this is complete, the tint is ready for shrinking. So to start the shrinking process, you will see that the film is not completely flat to the window. These are what we call fingers. You want to grab a heat gun, your felt squeegee, and from the top of the centre of your H pattern, you want to start shrinking each finger from the top down, working in 1/2 inch increments, starting from the end, working to the centre. Now it's very important to keep the heat gun moving constantly to assure you don't burn or crease any of the tint. Once all the bottom is shrunk and flat to the glass, you repeat the same process across the top. So once you've shrunk your window tint, we're going to go back to the inside of the glass. You're going to grab your handled squeegee and your slip solution, repeating the same process as earlier. From the centre out, pushing all the water to the edge. This just assures that we are eliminating any debris or dust that may have fallen onto the glass. Again, going around the outer edge, giving it a quick wipe. Once that's complete, you want to completely cover the inside of the window with the slip solution. So once you've sprayed the inside of your window, we're going back to your tint on the outside, grabbing the clear plastic liner from the outer edge, peeling it back, and as we're peeling, we're spraying our slip solution. So once the glue side of our tint is completely covered in our spray, we're going to grab the tint from the outside, pinching either end, place it onto the glass. You want to assure all edges are covered, with no light gaps around the surrounding edge. Like so. Once you're happy with how your tint is laid, we give it another few sprays just to assure that our handled squeegee glides nicely. From the centre, work in the water to the outer edge with your handled squeegee, creating that same H pattern. Once you've pushed all of the water to the outer edge, we spray again and do one last pass with the squeegee, pushing down harder just to assure all of that water is eliminated. Once that's complete, you want to grab your handled squeegee, a paper towel or microfiber cloth, just going over them edges to assure there is no remaining water that could soak down into your tint. Dry any excess water from around the edge of your window. And just like that, we have one tinted rear window.